6 quick ways to end your constipation. 1. Drink honey lemon tea. Make a tea by adding honey and lemon to water. Honey is a laxative and also helps to reduce the sourness of the tea caused by lemon. Lemon acts as a natural stimulant for the digestive system and helps in flushing out toxins from the body. 2. Drink a lot of water. Men should drink at least 3.7 liters of fluid and women 2.7 liters per day. This is because hard, dry stool is the most common cause of constipation. Drinking enough water will keep the body properly hydrated and make it easy for the stool to pass. Water and fruit juice are best for fighting constipation. 3. Eat high-fiber food. High-fiber food acts as a natural laxative. They help your stool retain more water and therefore bulk it up. You should include at least 20 to 35 grams of fiber in your daily diet to keep things flowing freely. Food sources that are rich in fiber include Brussels sprouts, apples, figs, bran cereal, and black beans. 4. Consume bulking agents. Herbs like flaxseed, fenugreek, and psyllium have a laxative effect and soften the stool. Eat them and drink a lot of water if you are suffering from constipation. Also, there are teas available with these supplements. You could give them a try as well. 5. Include yogurt in your meals. Although it's advised to stay away from dairy products if you are suffering from constipation, yogurt is the exception. Yogurt contains probiotics like Bifidobacterium longum or Bifidobacterium animalis, which studies have shown aid in more frequent and less painful passage of stool. 6. Eat prunes. Not only are prunes rich in fiber, but they also contain sorbitol, a stool-loosening sugar that relieves constipation naturally. 100 grams of prunes have 14.7 grams of sorbitol. However, like many people, if you might not like the taste of prunes, you can quickly gulp a glass of its juice. Although the juice contains less fiber than the fruit, it should still do the trick.